It is January 1st. It is January 1st. We're unboxing our new part of our family, which is my garbage bin. It's garbage bin. It's garbage bin, but this is our unboxing for our garbage bin. I tried to match with my what you call this, paneling. Yeah, so that's what paneling. It looks the same, all close to it, but not quite. But anyway, so long as it's close. So yan your unboxing. Yeah, God is very good with everything like that. So we separate all the long ones and the big ones and small ones and stuff like that. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's big. Yeah, and look at that. Yeah. I tried to match with my panel. Yeah, look. Try to match my panel. God is very good at it. I always can trust him and depend on him. Just okay. Just take off the There is the unboxing. Now is the time to put it together. There is the unboxing for 2021. I'm sorry. 2023. A new gift 2023. A gift to myself. Oh. A gift to myself. Look at that. I see. Oh, nice. Installed by Gordy Paul. Right there. And what's that leftover?
Leftover screw.
That's also the other one there. The wood. Yeah, we have to put that away nicely. So if we need something, we can use that again. Okay. So this is my withdrawer on it. Awesome, God. Thank you so very much. You made me more happier for Happy New Year. Wow. Unboxing or new. Yeah. Just you can put that over here. Like that.
Yeah.
And then the screw, all the screw over here too. And the box you have to throw them away because it's because this is my gift for New Year. A gift to myself. Yep. Yes, it is here. Yes, you receive it. Yes. Awesome. Awesome, God. Awesome. You're sure there's no more in there inside? Extra?
Nope.
You sure?
No.
All right.
No more inside.
Very good. Good one. Good install.
Somehow like a karate chop like this.
Oh. That's enough kasi Harrison.